I'm here at Prehistoric Pets with the Bosch of retic breeders here. You didn't know I was going to do that. Nope. And we're looking today for a special egg for us. It's the platonium of titaniums. Whatever you call that.
That's it. A platonium. A platinum plutonium.
So we're going to see what we get here. Of course, Tim lately's been telling me we're going to get one thing. We find out it's got 17 fathers, and
it's not this one. God, I hope.
I was going to say, yeah. But that's just because we had some young males, and I ain't living them down. So he kept telling me the males they were too young and not doing it. But they weren't too young, but they just weren't doing it.
Between all of them, they did it, though.
It was a team effort. Okay, well, that one's wide open there. Woo! So, how about the first egg being one?
Super Tiger.
Oh.
A platinum citron Super Tiger.
Oh, boy, what do you guys think about a Platron Super Tiger? That sucker looks like a Lucy with a dark stripe. It'll color up more yellow older.
Look at this Platron Tiger.
Oh, man.
Oh, that means I got the male right, didn't I? Okay. Shut up now.
There's hope. So that's really nice. So this is a Super Tiger Citron Platinum. So that's the other one we've never seen, and ooh, we're impressed. Now this here is a really rare one. It's actually not even normal. It's a Citron. This is impossible to have a normal baby technically in here.
Tiger titanium.
Ooh.
Cool. There's another normal?
Another normal Citron.
That's a platinum.
Who's the mom?
A tiger double het.
All I gotta do is have my phone on, guaranteed to.
Again?
Oh, look at that. Look at this, Tim.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that back. Wow. I can't turn my phone off. That's life. Oh my gosh.
You're persistent.
Clear a call back 10 times. Okay, let's see what we got here. We're only hoping for that snake, but hopefully we'll get it. Oh, there's a Platron. So there's a Platron Tiger and a Super Tiger Platron.
Well, what's this?
Oh, I think Tim might have it.
I don't know.
Dang, how are we getting so many platinums? Look at that.
Whoa. It's just a tiger platinum. I think.
Yep, you're right. I think it's going to almost be Lucy at birth.
Yeah.
And then just turn into a... Wow, look at that. We may miss our snake at the rate I'm pumping platinums out over here.
Super.
Dang, every one of these things a Platron Tiger or...
Another super. All the snakes that we don't want to see.
Look at that. No such thing as a snake we don't want to see in this clutch.
As far as hitting the odds. Okay, here we go.
Oh, there's our Lucy.
Maybe.
It's not going to be a Lucy. It's just going to look like one at birth. Oh!
I don't know.
I think we got one. I don't know.
Gotta look at the head. That's not the head. That might be it.
But the only thing is, it should be more patternless. But it's only like white and yellow. I don't see any dark on it at all.
Poor little guy. No, that's just a tiger.
Wow, that's a screamer.
Yeah, that's a nice one. I don't know. It's got a line all the way down the back. That's a plutonium, Jay.
Man, look at all the Look at this.
Maybe not. I don't know.
Look at this platinum.
Tiger titaniums and Super Tiger titaniums are very hard to tell the difference of.
Well,
sometimes.
usually they look like a leucistic. I don't even know what a super looks like over here. Oh, that's not true. My first egg was a platinum citron super. What the heck's going on? Every egg is a platinum citron tiger.
Tiger titanium.
Oh, look at that citron coming out in this snake. Oh, look at that, Tim.
That's crazy.
No platinum in that. That's why. The platinum's not lightening up the other color. But the citron comes in on tigers. Looks different.
Another tiger. Yeah, I'm not hitting it. Yeah, you still got a few eggs. What's that? Is that it? That looks like it.
I was slow, but I got it.
That looks like it for sure.
Like I thought it would look.
That's
like a
it.
Lucy.
There you go.
Look at that. You see, Tim forgot that they're almost patternless. I predicted it would look like a Lucy. What do you think, guys think? Looks a lot like a Lucy. Go ahead, crawl in there, little dude. Okay. So we got we got one, it would appear like. Look at that. I just still can't get over that thing. That thing looks like a... Let's hope we get another one. Just a straight up super tiger citron. Look at the sides on that thing.
Nope. Tiger citron.
I'll tell you what happened. I got like 10 platinum tigers.
I got 5 or 6 of them.
Platron tiger. That thing's ridiculous. Our tigers just didn't line up that great. But lined up good enough, I would appear like. Not one titanium. Here, how about one titanium? Oop. Tiger titanium.
It's a platinum tiger? No.
Just a good looking tiger titanium.
That's the winner there.
Pretty cool.
Yep.
Okay, guys. We got 2 crazy ones in here, and this thing, I think this is going to be the snake to look at, too. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
I mean, that is unbelievable. It's tough when you play these genetic games, and they hatch a day early on a Saturday instead of a Sunday.
You're right.
Anyway, take care, guys. We got to go pull a couple ball python clutches. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Don't forget to subscribe to us and check us out on Facebook. Like us, man. We could use a little help out there. Take care, guys. Peace out. We'll get some pictures on Facebook.